Alright, what's up guys? Going to be doing another trade review for the day. Um, this is for March 23rd, 2023. And as always, just to remind everybody that's watching, I am a higher time frame flag slash pivot break trader. And when I mean higher time frame, I mean the 15 minute, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour. Um, and what I look for on these time frames are basically continuation patterns of flags and pivot breaks, type pivot breaks. So yeah, let's go over the trades that I took today. First was Tesla, and the reason I took this trade is because it looked like a nice 3 bar play on the 15 minute, and I was hoping for more than it gave, considering this is like right under 200. I thought that with the momentum, this could break 200 and we can get a nice pop. But unfortunately, it didn't end up giving that much. I was able to get some scales up here right at 199, but I had to stop out of it on the majority of my position just because it was getting too heavy here. And so I stopped out right at this candle on 10:30. I got in at 10:05. So there's a small L right there because I was able to get some green scales here and then majority of them down here. So it was a very small L. I don't mind taking it considering the opportunity. I think it was a decent setup, but it just couldn't follow through. I think there were just too many shorts right under 200 to prevent it from going, and it didn't have enough bullish momentum. But I think it was overall a good thesis and a good attempt. But sometimes things just don't work your way, and it is what it is. So yeah, I think going over the 1 hour is actually a 1 hour downside setup here, but I'll look at that after I go through the second trade I took, which was on AMD. And this was a 15-minute setup as well, but this one consolidated for much longer than Tesla. And so I took this one. And I also like this one because you had a really nice break on SPY actually. Actually, I'll go over it after this trade. But SPY was breaking out with a like on the 15 minute with a nice 15-minute flag. So um, I didn't get to get in that unfortunately, but I got into AMD thinking that context was good, and so we was able to get a nice pop over here. Got in at 101.75 right here at 10:55, and then rode it up to 102.43, and I actually got all out up here just because the previous Tesla trade kind of spooked me, so I just wanted to ensure the trade and get all my profits. So I got all out right at 102 point right at 102.3. And I didn't want to wait for the point 0.5 test, so I just got out of all of it there, and that was a really good trade. And it ended up making me green on the day, so can't be mad about that at all. Unfortunately, I didn't follow through, but I did give a nice pop for sure, and I will definitely take that for sure. As far as um, what I was looking at on SPY, it's actually a nice 15-minute setup. I drew it out after it went, but if this had caught my eyes sooner, I would have been able to take this. This is a very, very nice setup on the 5 minute as well, and even on the 15. Looked very, very good. You can see that there's a direction attached to it, and then it consolidates right under the level, and then the next 15-minute candle closes right underneath the level, and that's when you know that rush of momentum is gonna give you a fat pop. So that's exactly what happened, and it's a very nice pop right underneath 400s. Um, it was a very beautiful trade if you were able to take it. Something similar on IWM as well, just not as much movement uh, and direction attached to it, but something similar for sure. Not bad at all. I think I was eyeing QQQ at the time too, but it didn't have a clear clear break on the 15. It kind of broke a little prematurely, so it's like candle over candle and not really a level of respect and then a break. So SPY was definitely much better in that aspect, but yeah, uh, unfortunately I missed it, but it is what it is. Sometimes you just miss those plays, and you just gotta record it and document it and study it so you don't miss it the next time. But yeah, We can go down the list. Nvidia, nothing really crazy today, to be honest. It's very choppy, and then had a dump towards the end of the day, and a lot of volume towards the end of the day. I wonder if there was news. I know yesterday was FOMC, which is why you had all these crazy candles there, but wondering if there's news or something related to Nvidia. But yeah, nothing really in on Nvidia that looks good according to my system. But cool, yeah, nothing really here either. Just chopping around with VWAP. 1 hour, same thing. QQQ, nothing really specific or clean. SPY, yeah, we talked about SPY. The nice setup right here, and nothing on the 1 hour after that. Yeah, Apple, nothing really here. This is some nice direction. I was actually looking to see if this would make like a flag up here for a continuation, but I think context got really rough as everything was going underneath VWAP. So this couldn't make a continuation pattern, unfortunately. AMD. Yeah, we had the trade that I took on it, and everything else is there's nothing really else on it, to be honest. IWM, we talked about this one, that there's the consolidation break here for the pop. Amazon have anything on the 1 hour? No, not really. Nothing really there. And then Tesla we took in the morning as my first trade. There's actually a nice 3-bar play right here on the 1 hour, but I think I would have been hesitant to take it considering this was not like clear direction. Although it did work out very, very nicely, but it would have been tough for me to take knowing that there's not exactly candle respect and not one color of direction. But definitely did move well, but yeah, not really in the system. But yeah, other than that, nothing really else in the day. 2 good potential trades. One of them worked out and the other one didn't, but just kind of manage your risk in those situations so you can still be green in that time. But yeah, hope you guys had a good trading day. Hopefully this was helpful. Like always, if you have any questions, let me know down below, and hopefully we all have a good Friday and have a nice end to the week. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Peace.